guys, today's video is going to be me basically defining my curls, showing you guys how I get that curly look, that wet kind of look that you guys see on my Instagram, my Snapchat, because people have been asking for the longest, like, what do you use in your hair, what products do you use, how do you get it so curly, is your hair texturized? And it's just like, my hair is not texturized, but obviously me showing you what I'm using today and how I do it, you guys will understand how I get my hair like looking so full and so curly, you know what I mean? But I think the biggest part of it all is obviously because my hair texture is quite curly in itself anyway. So yeah, but there is certain tricks and tips to get your hair curlier. So right, first thing I'm gonna use, well, let me show you the products I'm going to be using first of all. So we've got the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, we've got Eco Styling Gel, we've got we've got the Cantu Natural Hair Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. That's what I use. And I might just go in with some black castor oil just so I can get that shine and lock in all of the moisture. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, my hair has been a hair journey and I've literally just washed my hair now, so it's a bit wet, as you can see here in the camera. My hair is wet, but I feel like when you're working with wet hair and these products, everything just goes perfectly, you get the best results. So having wet hair works good. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna split it into 4, so 2 on this side and also 2 on that side when I come to it. And I'm just gonna, listen, this might look funny, but that's just how I do my hair. I just leave that there and I do this side. I'm gonna take the Cantu cream and I'm just gonna put some in my hair. I don't use that much product because I just don't see, I feel like when I'm using a lot of product, it makes my hair just not lock in with the curls. Like, I think when you overdo it, it just don't work out. But you just want to put a little bit, because a little bit goes a long way when you're using this. My hair is like soft already because I did condition it and moisturize it. Well, not moisturize it, but I already conditioned it in the shower, so it's soft. Now I'm going to put in the Shea Moisture. So I like doing it in this particular order because if I put the gel first, it will just be like, you know, when you have that white residue of all the things, of all the products you've used, that's what happens when you use the gel first and not the other products. But I like to do it in this order. So there we go, and you want to make sure you get the end as well. Get the end. So now that's done, now I'm going to take my Eco Styling Gel. This is my hair before and now after. The difference is just crazy. Right, and you might just want to go and add a little bit more. After, so you see the curls are more defined. I think what makes my curls more defined is the Eco Styling Gel, because it adds that curl to my hair, makes it like bounce a bit more. So that's what it looks like. You can actually see like the curl pattern in my hair after I add the gel. So yeah, and then I'm just gonna do the rest. I have been cutting my hair a lot though this year, but it's all for the best. I think that when I cut my hair, it grows a bit more and it's a bit thicker when I cut it, so that's why I tend to cut my hair often. And when I cut my hair, I'm not cutting like 1 little centimeter off, I'm actually like cutting it off like I'm cutting 3 inches, because I find my hair grows more when I take a lot of it off. And then guys, I'm just gonna go in with the Eco Styling Gel again. As I said guys, I do use the black castor oil, but that's towards the end when I've done like my whole head, because then it adds the shine. It's like the finishing touch to my hair. And I add the black castor oil, and obviously it's really good to use black castor oil because it's an oil, a natural oil that works good in curly hair. So what I'm gonna do is, sometimes I do tend to just lift my hair up like that, because you see when I do it like that, it's straight, but to balance it. Okay, so there we go, that's the first side done. It doesn't actually take me that long to do it. I'm just gonna take a little bit more of the Eco Styling Gel. It does not take that long to do it. You've just got to, like, once you've done it a few times, like this is my routine, so it's normal for me, but you know, it's quicker as you go. Before and after, it's got a bit of length to it now. This is short because obviously it's got no product, but you can see the difference. Looks more defined on the side. Okay guys, so that is the end, and I just wanted to do a little something with my hair. I'm just gonna do my middle part in a little bit more straight with my rat tail comb. Take a bit of Cantu. Just gonna even it all out here. Just gonna bring it up like that, and I'm just gonna sleek it down like that, up like that, and then I'm just gonna top this behind my ear like that. This is usually the style I go for, guys. When this side is topped behind my ear, I just take some of the product and then I just mix it to make this side more curlier. You just sleek that part down, have that part out, and that's it. So thank you for watching my video, and that's basically how I define my curls.